Okay.
Hello, what? Oh, hi.
So the crutch cam. Huh?
That's smart doing that.
Yeah, to be able to count how many times I scratch myself.
How do you like take a picture? You haven't, you're really not gonna feel anything yet until you actually see the whole video later, and you'll be like, cool.
Yeah, I just filmed the what's it called? The view from the boat.
Oh,
You know the only bad thing about this? What's it filming? Maybe I should.
you can turn. Look at that. You actually never walk here.
Yeah.
Just small there. There's a higher there. How do you want to walk around here?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll walk down there. Across the road, the crosswalk.
You want to cross? Okay.
Crosswalk that nobody stops at.
But not. Should wait. After this white car, let's go!
Burger croissant.
I feel like this is the loud you're gonna be like.
Yeah. You want to go down?
So, wow. You want to get sleep here?
What? Could be.
Yeah, I think I know.
There's that way, and then there's that way.
Where are you gonna go first? That?
Yeah, let's go down here. Yeah.
Your own time. Telling you.
Huh? So? The road keeps going.
I've been so away so long to keep my tongue in my head. All the back, I sing prayer all the time, my breath together that way. So I do what I feel.
How are you? Oh, that one is
They $200 per shirt.
yeah, $8.
But since you got free, you should have said $500 for free.
Huh? Why don't
Since
you
you
say
bought
that?
free, you should have said $500 for free.
Why don't you say that?
Because I don't know what you guys are saying.
You said 220. I know. Just the Costa Rica is gonna be $15.
Not in Costa Rica.
They're the same anyway. You want this shoe?
Nope.
Jesus Christ.
Yep.
You want one?
No, I really don't. It look neat.
Wow, sir, are you looking me? I'm here. Sir, wonderful celebrity.
I'm good. I'm good.
Yes.
He's on fire. He doesn't have a job yet.
Next church, yeah?
You can train?
Huh?
You can train?
No.
I can train for you.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Usually $100 food. Let's go.
Oh, man.
One zero. Sorry for that.
Mày ăn cảm ơn mày rồi đó.
One zero.
Không quả.
One zero.
Đây cái nào thêm nó làm lên nó làm.
Gonna walk.
What?
Anything they're gonna do.
Oh man, see if we were walking around Chinatown, I bet we'd see a lot of that.
They're not.
Huh? That should be still going. Where to
Alright,
next?
so this is Khao San Road there. You want to walk back over there?
I don't know.
It's like more stickable over there.
Where do you want to go?
I want to get some drinks from over there that I usually the guys see there.
One.
What do you want?
Watch out. Taxi here. It looks like this would be a road for cars. What it is.
Any foot massage? You want foot massage?
No, because I got a blister.
That one is bad.
So the last thing they want to do is like massage sweaty feet.
That one
Taco Bell.
You see the drink here?
Yeah, you want to? Alright, let's do that.
Yeah, nice here.
Yeah?
Alright, let's